Hi, my name is Zaria. I'm Kathleen's assistant and she is out booked and busy today, so I will be helping her out with her newsletter. May is the month of home organization, so go ahead and declutter your spaces, organize your kitchen and living room areas, and update a few spots that is needed. A little tip for you. If you have extra time on your hands, whether it's 5 minutes or 15 minutes, go ahead and tackle small areas where organization is needed. Thinking about selling down the road? Here are 7 things that hurt your property value. Although DIY projects are fun and common, they can lead to your property value going down if they go wrong. And they can ultimately lead you into paying way more than you have to if you got it done perfect. And that relates to bad paint jobs. Most people like to change the white to a crazy yellow or orange, or even just doing it by itself can lead to streaks in the paint and looking really bad. So let's avoid that and not do that. Unnecessary smells like pet odors or cigarettes can be a deal breaker for buyers, but you can get that fixed by getting it deep cleaned, professionally removed, or removing your carpet. And to get into carpet is very outdated now. It is 2025 and we need to get rid of it. People nowadays do not like carpet. That is not the only reason why it is important to remove your carpet. It leaves odors and stains that makes your carpet look dirty. Excessive clutter and keeping your house unkept could scare a buyer into not buying that house. While renting can feel cheaper because you aren't paying property taxes or maintenance, it can be higher just because you are paying into someone else's wealth and not yours. With buying, yes, there are upfront costs, but the money that you're paying monthly goes right back into your pockets through equity. I'm not saying buy right away, but if you are financially stable and you want to stay put for a few years, buying is an investment. If you watched it this far, thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more videos in the future with Kathleen.